In this video, I'll show you how to unlock any group in Telegram with the most effective method in 2024. Let's get started. Open Telegram app. Launch the Telegram application on your device. Access Settings. Tap on the three-line menu icon and go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Within Settings, locate Privacy and Security. Enable Filtering option. If you don't see the filtering option, you'll need to use a VPN. Open Google Chrome and search for Telegram Web. Log in to Telegram Web. Access the Telegram Web website and log in with your Telegram account credentials. Access Privacy and Security. Once logged in, go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Enable Filtering option. If the filtering option is still not visible, connect to a VPN, preferably from the United States or another country. Disable Filtering option. Click on the Disable Filtering option to unlock any group in Telegram. By following these steps, you'll be able to access any group and its content on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching.